दोस्तों अगर आप भी अपना हनुमान आसन का अभ्यास करते हो लेकिन अगर आपका इतना गैप या फिर इतना लाइक कह सकते हो मसल्स में स्ट्रेच आता है तो उसका रीजन हो सकता है कि आपकी मसल्स काफी टाइट हो सकती है. सो इफ यू वांटेड टू बिकम फ्लेक्सिबल फ्रॉम योर हैमस्ट्रिंग्स, क्वाड्रिसेप्स एंड हिप फ्लेक्सर, सो दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. सो लेट मी टेल यू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो दोस्तों देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस पोस्चर बट उनको पता नहीं होता कि हाउ टू इम्प्रूव देयर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी अगर वो एकदम बिगनर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. जैसे काफी लोग होते हैं दे प्रैक्टिसिंग फ्रॉम द बेसिक बट थिंग इज उनके पास इतनी टेक्निक नहीं होती. तो मैं चाहूंगा आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू हाउ टू बिकम फ्लेक्सिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम स्ट्रेचेस जिसमें काफी सारी ऐसी बेसिक्स टेक्निक होगी जो आप सब कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए. इफ यू डोंट हैव अ गुड नॉलेज, सो इफ यू वांटेड टू अचीव दिस पोस्चर एट द एज ऑफ 30, 40, 50 और एनी एज बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्टार्ट, आपको कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. तो अगर आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपको भी ऐसा इंप्रूवमेंट मिले, सो दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू. सो प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो राइट नाउ, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड ऑल्सो press the bell icon so that you can get latest video. First of all, we have to focus on which muscles are important to get a good you can say a movement. First of all, you can see that this is the major muscle. ये काफी important muscle होती है, that is hamstring and hip adductors. So if you focus on your hip adductors and hamstring, you can straight your leg properly. आप अपने पाँव को सीधा कर सकते हैं. And this video will help you to how to get stretching and how to get more flexible hamstring and inner thighs muscle. And number 2 is everyone your back leg. When you do side split, when you do Hanuman Asana, what happen everyone? Maximum people are unable to touch their pelvis. काफी लोग अपने pelvis को thigh को touch नहीं कर पाते अपने ground से. So what is the reason? Because their hip flexors are very tight and their quadriceps muscle. If you're not getting a good you can say extension from the pelvis area, you cannot do the proper Hanumanasana. तो आज हमारे target ये रहेगा कि how to become flexible with the help of some stretches, and that is the main target of my video, so that everyone can get improvement, and because of improvement you get motivation. अगर आपको improvement नहीं मिलेगा तो आपको inspiration वैसे भी नहीं मिलने वाली. तो हमारा target ये रहेगा कि how to stretch every muscle that's supporting our Hanumanasana. तो चलिए start करते हैं हमारे उन stretches को जो कि आपको जरूर practice करना चाहिए. So let's start from the first technique. This is our chair technique. We using it for stretching our hip flexor muscle. So for that you need to put your one foot over your chair. आपको अपना एक पाँव chair पे रखना होगा and then try to hold your chair on. Okay, हाथों को अच्छे से hold करोगे. Okay, after that try to look straight and breathe normally. Your pelvis must be moved forward properly. See how exhale and inhale. Exhale forward, inhale back. So this is our target, and now we are going to stretch it properly by moving it for 30 seconds. Okay. After that you have to change your leg so that you can get completely opening from both legs, because some people not focusing on both sides, and if you're not practicing your Hanuman Asana from both leg, means when you trying with the right leg अगर आप एक पाँव से करते हैं और then you're not changing your other leg, that means your muscles are not getting properly open from both legs. अगर आप दोनों legs से opening करते हो तो you should practice all the stretches from both sides. Now we are targeting our second technique, which is again good for your hip flexor stretching and quadriceps muscle stretching. So you need to keep one you can say chair and wall support for your technique. अब आप क्या करेंगे? Now you have to put your one foot over your wall. अब अपना एक पाँव अच्छे से wall पे place करेंगे. Now this time you have to stretch your quadriceps by moving it properly. Okay, first of all look at the back means your toe or foot position. See, heel is touching, and only you need to keep your pelvis forward. After that you can touch your wall with your fingers and move it forward. आपने आगे के लिए इस तरीके से moving करना है. Okay, once you moving your pelvis forward, you will be getting stretching over your quadriceps muscle, your hip flexor muscle, and also the other leg glutes also, right? So practice it for 30 seconds, and after that you have to switch your leg. Next technique is amazing because it can stretch your hamstring muscles too much and your quadriceps muscle. When people trying to do side split or Hanuman Asana, what happens? Their hamstring is the main reason for not opening your complete posture. So first of all, this technique can help you to enhance your flexibility. तो आप practice करते हैं कैसे कर रहे हैं? Let me help you. So first of all, you have to keep your right leg knee over your chair like me, and after that you have to keep slide your heel towards your mat end. Okay, so how to do? With the help of support of your hands, now you have to slide your heel. अब आपको अपनी slide करनी है heel को इस तरीके से, and what you do everyone now, you have to fold forward. आगे के लिए आपने bend करना like this. Okay, you will feel a good stretch over here over your hamstring. and this is our main target. हमारा यही target है. So what you have to do is you have to keep your spine straight and bend forward. इस तरीके से आपने आगे के लिए रखना है. Okay, once you get closer, you're getting a good stretch over your hamstring, and this is our main target, right? Also keep your spine straight. अपनी spine को सीधा रखें and try to push forward. If you are unable to touch your knee with your head, it's fine. अब ये सही है. बस क्या है, आप starting में ऐसे होंगे, लेकिन after couple of days of practice, you will feel lighter और आप थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे elbow bend करके जा सकते हैं. You can go down with elbow bending, and then come back slowly. This is our main target, hamstring, for getting your front leg straight. And also अगर आप पहली बार प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, you can do slowly like movement. आप थोड़ा हल्का हल्का मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, जिससे क्या होगा, you will not get too much strain over your muscle, and आपको काफी हद तक रिलैक्स भी मिलेगा जब आप धीरे धीरे करेंगे. And this is our major technique. These 3 major technique, if you apply in your practice routine, you can improve your Hanuman Asana a great level. So try to practice, everyone. आप practice करें. And if you wanted to know more techniques, such technique, write down in the comment box that we want more technique for Hanuman Asana. Then I will upload definitely for you. After practicing so long, अगर आप इन techniques को कई समय तक practice करेंगे, only 3 technique I have told you, you will getting definitely a good result. And now I am going to show you how to practice your Hanuman Asana monkey pose easily. So look at me, the right steps. So first of all, you have to keep your right leg front over your mat. आपने अपने मैट को के ऊपर अपना पाँव आगे रखना है, और फिर now the back leg, knee is touched, and use your hand support to slide further your heel. See, आप अपने heel को आगे के लिए slide करेंगे like this. Okay, now you will be feeling a lot of stretching here. If you have a good flexibility here, you can do smoothly like this. See, and your back leg also getting towards opposite. And now looking towards your wall, आप आगे देखेंगे, and keep your spine straight. अपनी spine को सीधा करना, and calmly and peacefully you have to look your target and smile normally. You have to come slowly and relax in butterfly exercise. And also one more important point, you only need to relax after every stretches also in butterfly exercise, or else you can just do straight off your leg and do the knee up and down exercise. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, and also if you have any question regarding any other poses, you can write in the comment box. I'll make you for a good video for that topic. Okay, and if you wanted to join my online classes, अगर आप चाहते हैं मेरी online class join करें, you can just WhatsApp me through my WhatsApp number, so that I can provide you information in our WhatsApp number, and you will be able to join if your age is 30 plus, 40 plus, and 50 plus. You're willing to learn advanced poses, but you don't have any guidance, any teacher nearby. But if you wanted to learn from your home, then this you can say classes will be a great for you to learn from basic to advanced. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Namaste.